Welcome to this quick concept video. First, we'll answer a biology question about gymnosperm ovules, and then a computer science question about Big O notation. Question 1. Which of the following contains multiple gymnosperm ovules? Option 1, megasporangium. Option 2, megaspore. Option 3, integument. Option 4, ovulate cone. Let's quickly recall each structure with a picture, then decide. First, megasporangium, also called nucellus. It is one sporangium that produces the megaspore. It belongs to a single ovule, not many ovules. Second, megaspore. That is just one haploid cell formed by meiosis inside the megasporangium. Again, it does not contain multiple ovules. Third, integument. This is the protective layer that surrounds a single megasporangium, so it wraps just one ovule, not many. Finally, ovulate cone, also called seed cone. It is made of many scales, and each scale bears an ovule on its surface. So a single cone contains many ovules. That means the correct answer is ovulate cone. Answer: ovulate cone. Now, a big O question. Which of these statements is true? A. If F is big O of G, then G is big O of F. B. If F is big O of G, then G is not big O of F. C. If F is big O of G, then F squared is big O of G. D. If F1 and F2 are big O of G, then their product is big O of G. E. If F is big O of G, then F is big O of G over 2. We will check each with quick examples. Part A. If F equals big O of G, then G equals big O of F. Counterexample. Let F of n equal n and G of n equal n squared. Then F is big O of G, but G is not big O of F. Part B. If F equals big O of G, then G is not big O of F. Also false. Sometimes both are true when they grow at the same rate, which is theta. For example, F of n equals n and G of n equals n. Part C. If F equals big O of G, then F squared equals big O of G. Not generally. Often F squared is big O of G squared. For instance, if F equals G equals n, then F squared is n squared, which is not big O of n. Part D. If F1 and F2 are big O of G, then their product is big O of G. Not in general. Take F1 equal n and F2 equal n. Each is big O of n, but the product is n squared, not big O of n. Part E. If F equals big O of G, then F equals big O of G over 2. This is true because constant factors do not change big O classes. Answer: Option E. Recap. An ovulate cone carries many ovules because each scale bears an ovule, and in Big O notation, constants do not matter. So F in big O of G implies F is in big O of G over 2.